So here are the settings for this indicator. So you're just going to come up here on indicators and you're going to type sessions, and when you type sessions you're going to go to sessions less agro, and then you're just going to click once. Please click once, and then when you get this side you've got to go to the indicator settings. Make sure that you remove New York session, leave London, leave Tokyo, and remove Sydney, or just uncheck it. Just click here, you just uncheck it like that, and then down here make sure that all these four last boxes are all unchecked. So uncheck all those boxes and make sure that your colors that you're going to use here are really visible on the chart depending on the color of your chart. So make sure that those colors are good. You just click on the color and then you can choose any, and when you are done you're just going to click OK, and that is how you're going to get there. Otherwise I'll be showing you everything step by step, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get to it. We marked this one, so we marked using this rectangle, and it went down and it went up again. But when the Tokyo session ended, price was consistently going up, you see, but decided to do what? To come back down here. That's this rectangle over here, and this is the 5-minute time frame. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Today I just want to show you this gold winning scalping strategy that I've been trying out, and trust me, the results are going to speak for themselves. Just a word of encouragement for somebody out there. You know, all those losses that you have got, they're just lessons for you to really try to master the strategies, try to master price action and everything. So don't give up. You are going to get there, you are going to make it. It's possible, it's really possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to make this illustration for us. So I'm going to be using the Tokyo and the London session. So what happens is this: whenever you are going to find price, let's say price was moving on like this, just coming down, and when it got to the London plus Tokyo session, let's say the first thing it's going to do is that it's just going to go up, and then it's just going to continue with its normal movement. So what we basically do is that whenever it makes that turning point like this one over here, you're just going to know that what you are going to be having. Let me just use this one. So you're just going to take it like this. So what basically happens is that when price gets to the London session, after it has come out of the Tokyo and London session, this is what it's going to do. Let's say now this is our price, so let's take it again. It is going to, however movement is going to start with, but at the end it will go and try to test that last key level that we made over there. So it's always going to do that. What I mean is this. Let me just show you what I really mean, because I really want to show you how to really master this whole thing. So let me just take it down here so that someone can get a really good picture of what I'm talking about. So guys, this is what happens. You see that price was going on all over this place, right? Now what I want us to look at is this. So let me just get a good pointer here. So let me just get a good pointer. So you can see that price did go down, was going up, and when it reached the Tokyo plus London session right here, do you see what happened? So price decided just to make this upward movement a bit, but the first thing it did when it got there was this. So I just want you to mark this one. So that was the first thing price did. So that's why I used this rectangle to mark that spot. And as you can see, now price was going down outside on the London session. So price did come down to retest that place. Maybe let me find a place where it's going to be more visible. So I'm just going to run you through almost all of the sessions we've been having lately. So let's use this one for instance. So we can see price was going up, you see, and when it reached the London plus Tokyo session, it decided to go up before it came down. So that's the reason we marked at this point, right? So when price got outside the Tokyo session, so when the Tokyo session ended, price went up, right? But you see where our rectangle is, so that is why price now came back again. So that's why we say this strategy is best for what? For scalpers. Sometimes it might take a very long time before it comes on that key level once again, but mind you, let me show you again this example over here. This is just the next example. I don't want to skip any of the examples because I want to show you that this thing really works. You see, price decided to do what? When it started, it went up, but we marked this one, so we marked using this rectangle, and it went down and it went up again. But when the Tokyo session ended, price was consistently going up, you see, but decided to do what? To come back down here. That's this rectangle over here, and this is the 5-minute time frame. Let's look at another example. I want you to be convinced on what I'm talking about. I don't want you to waste your time because I don't want to waste your time myself. You see, price was going up on the Tokyo session, and when the London session started, price decided to just go a bit up high before it went down. That's the reason why we marked over here. Now Tokyo session has ended, we're on the London session, so price has been consistently going down. But look at price now, look at price now, back to our wick area. Let's make another example. I don't want you to be lost. I don't want you to be lost. This is gold. This is the 5-minute time frame. So that's why I'm taking it slowly, because I want you not to miss what I'm trying to explain to you. Price has been coming down, and when the London session started, price was going up, and before it made this over here, so we marked that last key level, this one, and price was still going up, down, that's okay. But our main point is after the Tokyo session has stopped and we are on the London session. Now let's say, you see, it did come down, but in as much as that wasn't really much of a movement, these are just a few candles, in as much as you could have scalped for something. But look at this upward movement, and definitely coming down again to retest. That's good. Let's look at another example. So I don't want to mind all the other sessions for now, because I want us to focus on this, and I don't want to mind all the other strategies that we can really derive from this. But what I want us to focus on is just the Tokyo and the London session, because I want this for scalpers, like I said. So London session started, Tokyo session was ongoing, and price decided to do what? Price decided to make an upward movement. So we made this one, as you can see, and then you can see price went down, right? Now Tokyo session has ended, London session has started, price is going, finally price has come to hit that key level that we had made. I don't know what more evidence can we really talk about. Maybe let's just do the next candle. Let's do the next one. So this one, I did this one just a few minutes ago. London session, it's just started, it's still ongoing, but we said we mark where the London session is starting, and as you can see, it started over here. Right now, let me just put it this one here, because I want to show you this. So it started here, right? And then you can see price is doing what? It's doing all that. So we marked this first one, so take this one, you put it there. Now look at this. So price was going up, price is going down, it came to range along this place, and now the Tokyo session has ended. We are currently on the London session, so this is an ongoing session. So now price did what? When the London session started over here, and then it is definitely going to come back over here, and I wish I would show you this. We will just have to wait for a few more minutes, but for the sake of this video, guys, if you have not subscribed yet, I think this is the time to subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, I bring you good news. I bring you good news every day. This is a new week. We're going to be starting a new month tomorrow. So guys, let's make this thing work for us. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. I love you all. Take care.